everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here. I've got a little cough, a little under the weather, but I can't wait to eat what Mommy made because it's so good. So she got this recipe from our friend Chef Pam at Cookin' and Chef Pam's Place, and we're going to link to her YouTube channel here. But this is a bread pizza, and it was so easy, and my mom didn't have to thaw anything out, and it was so wonderful and quick. So they just were very thrilled with this recipe. Everyone loved it. It was so good. So you're going to need to give it a try, and it's so easy. So just wanted to let you know, that's what our Monday meal is for this week. It's Italian, a bread pizza. And you'll love what the sauce is. It's not your typical pizza sauce, and it actually tasted really good on these pizzas. So hopefully you guys will give it a try. Remember, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll see you next Monday. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right. This, as Yoda said, is one of our friends on YouTube, Chef Pam in the Kitchen, I believe, is the name of her channel, but I'll link her video below for this. But it's called bread pizza, and it's real quick and easy, and I didn't have a lot of time tonight, so that's what I'm making. And you use salsa as the sauce instead of pizza sauce. So we're using paste salsa, and then I drizzled some olive oil, and I'm using some English muffins. She used like brioche buns, whatever you got. I have gluten-free energy English muffins, so that's what we're using. And then you can use sliced cheese, regular cheese. I have half of them with like sliced provolone. And then I have pepperoni, but I'm not sure where they are currently. So I use sausage, like a breakfast sausage. Heated it up, broke it up, toasted it in the little toaster oven. And here you go. Got our little bread pizzas. This one I use the shredded mozzarella on. And the sausage. So they are very nice. Very nice. I like them a lot. Thanks, Chef Pam. Happy Monday, everybody.